It's 17th of April 2026. I'm at Fun and Sun Airshow in Lakeland, Florida, and I believe this is an AN2, Antonov AN2 single engine biplane, and apparently it's an award winner, so I figured I'd shoot another video with this one. The cockpit's kind of interesting there. Kind of juts up, I guess you can see downward. Looks like there's some Army stuff there, Apaches. I'll walk over there. Yeah, walk over to the Apache A864, I think. Sounds like it's running. I don't know if it's just the APU or what. And there's a guy in there. I guess he needs air conditioning. Hopefully you can hear me. I don't know. Pretty cool bird. I think these first ones came out like the late 70s, I think. So he's been around a while. It's still cool, they keep updating them. All the electronics. Oh, we got the missiles going there. Engine covers off. The scale, yeah, it's pretty big.
What's the one that you did? That was a 20 millimeter. It was a 20. Oh, okay. Yeah, because it was bottleneck.
What else we got here? All the kit. Helmet and vest, life vest, and it's got oxygen. And the Army also has a Black Hawk here. I think it's a UH-71, if I'm not mistaken. I'm sure it'll be marked somewhere. Funny kinks in the blades. UH-60, okay, sorry. What did I say? I said something else.
So they'll just be inside here.
Except for flares. Well, we got a pilot.
What is it? Huh? What?
Front. The wings, we got a couple guys here.